Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover fraction word problems involving multiplication. Let's jump into number 1, where we have 5/6 of all students at Stone Rock University are currently taking a math class. Of those students, 1/3 are taking a math class online. What fraction of all students at Stone Rock University are taking a math class online? So, thinking through this, we know that 5/6 of all students are taking a math class right now. 1/3 of those students are taking their math class online. So, we need to find 1/3 of 5/6. Now, whenever we are finding the fraction of something, we can multiply in order to find that answer. So we can replace of with a multiplication sign here. So 1/3 times 5/6 will give us our answer. Again, 1/3 of the students taking math classes are taking those classes online. So we need 1/3 of 5/6. And we're multiplying in order to find that answer. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we multiply straight across. So numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Let's start with the numerators. So 1 times 5. That gives us 5. And then for the denominators, we have 3 times 6. That gives us 18. So we end up with 5/18. That's the fraction of all students at Stone Rock University taking a math class online. So we can label this 5/18 of the students. Now 5/18 is in simplest form, so we are done. Let's move on to number 2, where we have Anne walks 3/10 of a mile each day for exercise. How many miles does she walk in 1 week? So if we think about how to solve this, well, we have 7 days in a week. So we have 7 days of walking 3/10 of a mile. 7 groups of 3/10, in other words. So we can solve this by doing 7 times 3/10. So 7, and I'm going to write 7 as a fraction by putting it over 1. That way, we have a numerator and a denominator, and we can multiply straight across. So 7 over 1, which again, that is equal to 7. So we're not changing the value of anything. We're just writing 7 as a fraction, times 3/10. And now we can multiply straight across. So 7 times 3, that gives us 21. And then 1 times 10, that gives us 10. And we end up with 21/10. Now 21/10 is an improper fraction. So let's convert this to a mixed number. And we do this by dividing the numerator, 21, by the denominator, 10. So 21 divided by 10. How many whole groups of 10 are in 21? Well, 2. 2 is our whole number of the mixed number. That gets us to 20. So we have a remainder of 1. That's our numerator of the fractional part. Over, and then we keep our denominator of 10 the same. So we end up with 2 and 1/10. Looking at the original question, how many miles does she walk in 1 week? So we have 2 and 1/10 miles. Lastly, let's move on to number 3, where we have there are 21 students in Professor Hall's biology class. 2/7 of the class earned an A on the final exam. How many students earned an A? Well, we need to find 2/7 of 21. 2/7 of 21. So 2/7 times 21. And I'm writing 21 over 1. I'm writing 21 in fractional form. That way we have a numerator and a denominator, and we can multiply straight across. Now let's multiply. 2 times 21 gives us 42. And then 7 times 1 gives us 7. So we end up with 42 sevenths, which is an improper fraction. So let's convert this to a mixed number. We need to divide the numerator, 42, by the denominator, 7. 42 divided by 7 gives us 6. And we hit 42 exactly. We don't have a remainder. So we end up with a whole number here. 6 is our answer. So how many students earned an A? 6 students. So there you have it. There are a few examples of fraction word problems involving multiplication. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.